Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Taken Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to be on Messenger without Facebook. So let's get started. At first, we need to know that we cannot have Messenger account without Facebook. But what we can do is we can simply deactivate Facebook account and still use Messenger. So let's get into Messenger and click on this three-line icon on the top left and click on this settings icon over here and scroll down and click on account center and click on personal details over here. Simply click on account ownership and control and click on deactivation or deletion and click on your profile over here. Choose deactivate account and click on continue. Now enter your password, continue. Give the reason why you are deactivating the account and click on continue. Now click on continue over here. And over here we can see this option called continue using Messenger. Simply turn this on and finally click on deactivate my account. After which your Facebook account will finally be deactivated and you can still use Messenger. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.